So 4 years ago, I had trouble sleeping and staying asleep all night long. My left hip was really sore and ached all day. It especially got achy when the weather got colder. I also ended up having trouble writing on the board with using chalk and picking up things in the classroom. My fingers hurt. I was not able to open jars or hold things. Often I would drop something unexpectedly. I used to swim several lengths of the pool and found that I was not able to do that anymore. The pain was too great to be able to carry on swimming a kilometer or even half a kilometer like I used to. So I went to my family doctor, and my doctor suggested that I use painkillers because she diagnosed that I had osteoarthritis throughout my body. So I wanted to see if there was any alternate therapies or approaches that could help me with the pain and also with the use of my hands. So I went to see Dr. Thiel at his office and asked Dr. Thiel if he had any suggestions as what I could do to manage the pain. And he suggested laser therapy. The surprise with the laser therapy is that there was no pain and you didn't feel anything. It just was a relaxation time where you could just almost even fall asleep. And when you were finished, it just felt like you had nothing done to them. But in the meantime, things were working internally, and you can always see a little bit of redness on the joints that are still achy or in need of treatment, and that just tells you that the laser is still working even long after you've gone from the office. The hip was resolved very quickly. With just a few treatments of the laser therapy, I was back to able to sleep on my side and no aches or pains. I could swim easily and walk without any difficulties. The hands have taken a little longer. I started off with intense therapy 2 to 3 times a week and then moved to once a month, and now I'm on a every second month basis. So the last one was last week. Today, my hands are great. The little bumps that used to be forming are almost gone. On several fingers, they're completely vanished. The other ones have just a little bit of a bump remaining. I can put on and off my rings very easily. They just slide. They don't get stuck anymore, and I can open jars, put on my necklace, work in the classroom, type right on the blackboard. There's no difficulties there. I'm even swimming back up to where I used to be without any joint pain or coldness setting in. There is no more clicking or stiffness in the fingers. They don't lock. I would definitely recommend laser therapy, especially to someone who has the arthritis in their fingers and in their joints. The hip clears up very quickly, so it's nice to have that without needing medication or surgery.